Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Digital Boat. Today we're going to explore something very exciting, how you can maximize SEO with powerful AI tools to boost engagement and drive conversions. Imagine this, you want more people to see your content, engage with it and take action, but doing all this manually takes a lot of time. That's where AI tools come in. These tools don't just save you time, they actually help you create better, smarter and more engaging content. Let's go through some amazing tools that can completely transform your content marketing. First, we have PhotoGPT AI. This tool can take a simple selfie and turn it into a professional headshot. Think about your personal branding on LinkedIn, Instagram, or even your website. A professional image builds trust and makes you stand out. With PhotoGPT, you just upload your photo and in minutes you get a polished, high-quality headshot ready to use anywhere. Next is Playzo. If you've ever seen those fun online quizzes or games that keep people engaged, this is the tool behind it. Playzo allows you to create interactive quizzes powered by AI. This not only makes your audience spend more time on your site, but also helps you capture leads and increase sales. And the best part, you don't need coding skills. Everything is simple and user-friendly. Moving on, let's talk about Seelab. This AI image generator helps you create visuals that perfectly match your brand. Imagine writing a blog post and instantly generating on-brand images to go with it. No need for a designer. Seelab saves you time, keeps your visuals consistent, and ensures your audience connects with your content visually. Now let's check out BizReply. This tool listens for keywords on social media and automatically replies using smart AI responses. That means you can engage with people in real time, answer their questions, and even build relationships, all while saving hours of manual work. One of the most powerful tools is WriterZen. This is a complete SEO content toolkit. It helps you find the right keywords, optimize your articles, and even discover trending topics. If you're serious about ranking on Google, WriterZen is a must-have. Another cool one is AahSheet. Think of it as AI inside Google Sheets. It can help you generate blog posts, social media content, and even SEO copy, all inside a spreadsheet. This is a lifesaver for creators and marketers who want to automate repetitive tasks. We also have FlipBooklets. This tool turns boring PDFs into interactive flipbooks. Instead of sending a dull document, you can send a beautiful, interactive digital book that your audience will love flipping through. Perfect for product catalogs, reports, or educational content. And finally, GSpeech. This tool converts website text into human-like AI audio. So if you want to make your content more accessible, for example, for people who prefer listening instead of reading, GSpeech is a brilliant option. It even helps boost engagement and reach. So to sum up, PhotoGPT helps with personal branding. Playzo boosts engagement with quizzes. Seelab makes stunning visuals. BizReply manages your social replies. WriterZen takes care of SEO. AahSheet automates content inside Google Sheets. FlipBooklets makes PDFs interactive. GSpeech turns text into audio. These AI tools are here to make your content marketing smarter, faster, and more effective. Now it's your turn. Which of these tools do you think will help your business the most? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Boat for more insights on affiliate marketing and AI tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.